I have a Kia here. This one got hit in the side and it's getting 2 new doors, and then you can see this dog leg section of the quarter panel is completely destroyed, as well as there's some damage up here on the B-pillar. That's pretty minor though. Luckily, they have a sectioning option to section this in, the dog leg right here, and that's how I'm gonna do that, and it'll go like right in here. You have to buy a full quarter panel, but I'm just gonna use roughly this section. I'll have to do a little bit of repair work beyond that, but I'm gonna pull this out, and that'll allow this area to relax, because this is pretty minor up here. So I'm gonna go ahead and make some pulls, get this pulled out, and then I will get this piece cut off.
Today's episode is brought to you by Panther Pro with their Durabond RL Easy glass removal kit. This simplifies the process of removing glued-in glass on all of your typical vehicles. So I met these guys at the SEMA show this last year, and we started talking about how I, as a body technician, would like to start removing my own glass and doing a lot of my own glass work. And they showed me this fantastic machine right here, and we started talking, and here we are now, and I have now been practicing using the RL Easy, and I'll tell you guys what, it is very easy using this machine to cut out glass. So all you body technicians out there that have thought about doing your own glass work, this is the tool you need. It is fantastic. Be sure to go check it out, pantherpro.com.
So I got both of these doors fit up, trying to get my gaps looking good, and everything is. So I'm going to go ahead and cut my rocker section, and I'm going to cut it long, then I'll fit it up and make my final cuts on the car. So I have this new dogleg piece sitting on here. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to scribe this at both sides. And then I'll go ahead and lift this piece off, and I'll trim this out, and that'll give me a perfect seam at both joints. So I have this one fit together now, and I have my gaps lining up nice and even on both doors. So this dogleg section is ready to weld on. I'm gonna lift it back off because it gets some adhesive right through this area right here. Then I will put it back up and get it welded on. So I just about have this one ready for primer. I'm actually going to send this one over to our paint department and let them prime it up, and I'm going to dive into my next one.